Hey everybody, here I am at the haunted house again doing some work. I think today's May 3rd. So just nice weather, sunny Sunday afternoon. So I'm down here just kind of tooling around, going to continue to do some demolition, well, not really demolition, just remodeling, I guess you could say, remodeling the haunted house. And there's a whole new plan. I spent a little bit of time drawing out a map last night. It's going to be pretty cool. I think everybody's going to like it a lot. And especially if I can actually make use of this time between now and October to really build on it. But the good part is most of the structural stuff is already done. It's just a matter of unscrewing something and relocating it, and then the finer decoration stuff will happen, as we get closer to Halloween. But anyway, that's the update for today. I'll maybe show some progress of what's been going on. Do a little walkthrough right now on what's still kind of hanging out here. We've got what's left of the walls here. This was kind of our little, it was intended to be cryogenic chambers, and then last minute we kind of changed it into catacombs, and it's kind of, during the daytime doesn't really do it justice. We have a control room which is kind of falling apart right now. It's kind of a mess, but been storing some stuff in here. But the control room kind of runs down the center of the haunted house, so that we have access to everything from all directions. And this was going to be what we called the sticky room, where we were going to have bones stuck to the wall and kind of a spider web effect. All the spider webs are down now. We took them all down, but this is what's left on there. I think a couple of nappy, dirty looking spiders on there, and some skulls and skeleton and whatnot. I think Jesse put that run thing up there and hung up some of these zombie heads and whatnot. This room in here is just a huge mess right now, but this was the boiler room, which that's going to change completely. The theme in this room is going to be something completely different. I'm not going to spoil it by saying what it's going to be, but you kind of already have an idea of some things until that car goes by. Oh, it's an ambulance. You already have a bit of an idea based on the title of this year's haunted house, the theme. So, but one thing that we decided today, actually my kids and I were talking about it a little bit, and I've talked to our staff here at the dojo about it a little bit too. We're going to do some kind of, what do you call it, Easter eggs inside the haunted house, where there'll be some things, some clues and things like that for you to look for, and then report back, and maybe there'll be an reward like candy or something, I don't know, a pat on the head, whatever. So anyway, that's the update for today. I will finish this video when I'm done working today. Hi again. Well, made some progress today. Knocked out a chunk, well, took out a wall here. Let's see. Why did I take out the wall? Because I have a greater understanding of how to frame up walls now, and a more efficient way of doing it that I'll share maybe with the tutorial later on. But basically, like I said, a lot of cleanup. That's mostly what's happening right now, and a little bit of demolition to get ready for a new and improved build. So that's it for today, and I will see you next time I see you.